All right, so I have a new dual towel rod to install. This one is really easy. So you got the two connections of the rods themselves. You got to put those together and then you screw them onto these end pieces. That's pretty much all you got to do to have everything ready. It does come with these little anchors and screws. So we're just going to drill some holes, put our anchors in, and we'll have a new towel rod here. All right, just like that, we have a towel rod installed. So it's really easy to install. The top rod, it goes in a little bit so you can have towels hanging behind. And then you got this rod sticking out just a little bit here to have a couple more towels this way. So you could potentially have multiple towels for a family on this one. But with this one, you can see that you could easily put multiple towels on each bar. So you could put the larger towels on here, or you could put a couple larger towels on both of them. Or you could use one of them for like your washcloths and your hand towels and everything. But if you're looking for an easy way for a family to have more towel space, this is the double towel bar.